John Osborne here with Basecamp Trading, and today we're taking a look at Broadcom, ticker symbol AVGO. Right now, Broadcom on the daily just triggered a bull flag today, and we're looking for that bull flag to run up to its target high of 398.59. We've also got a trend line across the top here. That's this one right through here, and that's going to be tomorrow. That'll be roughly in the area of 399 or so. Our next resistance, if we can get through that line, would be up at this pivot high. That's going to be up at 407.52. And if we get through that one, our next resistance is going to be this high, which is the other pivot from that trend line. That'll be up at 414.64. If we can get through there, I'll next be watching for it to break above this high, which gives us a potential gap fill to the previous close up at this bar's high. And that is up at 479.23. So a whole roadmap of where we could go is identified in this trade because you have a lot of targets to be able to get through. Let's see if we can make it through the first one to get us started, and then you can follow on to see if it'll continue through the rest. It'll take some time for all of this to happen, but sometimes it's worth the wait. If you like this kind of analysis, you can join us for a month for $7. Give it a try. The details are in the comments.